I'm Cheryl Furbisher and I am a Lecenté educator based in Bradford, and I cover the Yorkshire and Humber area. And today I just need to show you exactly what's coming for you guys at the end of May. It's our new product launches. We've got 6 amazing new foils, 6 amazing new multi-glitters and 6 amazing new Create gel colours. It's insane. So let's make a start. So ladies and gents, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The 6 amazing new multi-glitz. Just fantastic. You've got Waltzer, Big Top, Ferris Wheel, Carousel, Helter Skelter and Trapeze. Absolutely gorgeous. And then these are the new 6 Create amazing new colours. This is everything you ever want. It's everything you'll ever need. It's just beautiful. So this is amazing. All is funfair. The gorgeous deep pink, Admit 2. The beautiful bluey green, which is Summer Sideshow. And the brighter pink, which is Painting Ponies. The gorgeous deep yellow, which I think is like a mustardy yellow, Popcorn Party. Are we seeing a theme coming on now? And then this is Put On A Show. Lovely purple. And then we have the amazing foils, the new foils. Rainbow Tiger. It's amazing. I've popped them all, so I'm going to show you in a minute. Rainbow Star. Pink Butterfly. Pink Leopard. Rainbow Mermaid and Rainbow Leopard. It just doesn't get better than that. So www.lecenté.com is where you want to be on the launch day at the end of May. So I have used the glitters and I have encapsulated them with some clear acrylic powder, and I popped them all on a tip for you to see. Absolutely stunning. And then I have popped all the foils. So this is Tiger Rainbow. Stunning. This is Rainbow Star. This is Leopard Rainbow. Absolutely stunning. And my favourite Rainbow Mermaid. And the Pink Butterfly. Perfect. And the Pink Leopard.